Hello guys. So you guys must have been hearing about this new open AI called ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm gonna take you guys through the steps on how to create your account on ChatGPT. Okay, all you need to do is to go to your browser and go over to this link. I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description down below. And once you're here, you have to go over and click on Try ChatGPT. Once you click on this, it's gonna take you to this page here, and from here we're just going to go ahead and click on sign up because we don't have an account, right? Click on sign up. Here there are other options: use your email, continue with your Google, continue with your Microsoft account. If you click on these ones, it's going to just automatically show you the account that's been logged in on your browser. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and use the email. Okay, I'm going to use this email. Once click continue. And for the password, I'm just going to go ahead and just put in the password. Okay, can continue. All right, so just going to give it a few minutes. All right, so here it says we should verify our email. Go over to my email account here, open it up and verify the email address. Okay, so right now it's after verification. It's going to ask us for first name and last name. I'm just going to put a random name here and click on continue. So from here it says we should select our phone number. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. All right, so after inputting the number, click on send code. Oh, here we're gonna receive the code, and we're gonna receive the OTP on our registered number. So I'm just gonna input the code. All right, so after inputting the code, automatically it's gonna log us into our account. As you can see from here, it's just telling us the free research previews. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next. And from here, how we collect our data, these two options, I'll click next. And this is our feedback, click on done, and automatically we are in our ChatGPT account. Alright guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, just go ahead, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. I'm going to be making more videos about ChatGPT and how you can be able to maximize this new open AI that we have here. Okay, guys, have a nice day and peace out.